Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the serial number on your Eufy Anker 2K HD resolution doorbell cam. And to do this, first let's open up the settings after adding our doorbell and home base to our app. We've shown you previously on how to do it. So now navigate to the general and here find about device, and you can see the serial number of your doorbell. So you should always find the serial number on the back of your device. It's located right here. It's SN. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it should be there. And other way to find it is on the box or in the instructions for this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.